Hi, I'm Yusuf. Nice to see you again after a period of 1 year. I haven't posted a video for a year because I changed my job and I moved from one side of Istanbul, Anatolian side, to European side actually. And also I wanted to make a gift uh, because we passed 1,000 subscribers, and I wanted to thank you actually. Uh, it's a tradition, YouTube's tradition. You you gifts after passing 1,000 or 10,000, 25, 50 or 100,000. I will try to make a gift when we pass those numbers. I manufactured it in a 3-axis CNC, and let's see how they look. It's an aluminium, and it's manufactured really very in high precision actually. Very very how can I say, very good scallops, very very small AEs actually. Let's see other pictures. And it's just manufactured and make a very fine machining with hand, with cotton and paste. We didn't use any tools for fine machining. Okay. Uh, you know that my channel logo is double-headed eagle. I want to talk about this a little. Uh, the double-headed eagle is a symbol of Anatolia actually. Uh, the Roman Empire used this. Anatolian Seljuks used it with adding a arrow on it, and the former civilizations used it. Sorry for my bad English. I can't explain what I think. They use this symbol, and the eagle represents force and respect actually. Um, but what's the double head? What does it mean? It's represents before, past, and future. It represents east and west, uh, south and north actually. This life and the life after this life actually. Uh, it represents this. It represents the balance actually. And I mentioned this, and I love this symbol actually. I love this symbol. Okay, let's see the chem operations. First, I will tell you briefly. We will make a cavity mill for roughing. We will make a semi roughing with corner rough with ball mill, and again corner rough with a smaller tool, and semi finish with the last ball mill, and finish with the same ball mill. Okay, let's start. I use 8 flat diameter rough hollow periphery 90 step over dot 6 millimeter. That first corners. You must use smoothing. If you don't use it, you will the the CNC will have the tool pads will have a cornered shape, and it will not be good for the machine. I leave a stock dot 2. Okay. I changed transfer rapids. I add smoothing 5 millimeters, and it's good for the machine. Okay. I add feed and speed. Okay, and generates. In my new videos, I will not actually make too much generation of toolpaths because it takes too much time, and I will not do it especially in finishing operations. I will just create the operation and click OK. Okay, I make a corner rough with ball mill 5 mil 5 diameter ball mill semi rough. Reference to SD8 and ball mill 5, not on the none. Hollow periphery dot 6. Okay, and generates. It cuts the left material of left material that is left diameter 6. Okay, I make the same for ball mill 3. I copy paste it and just change the tools and just click generate. It cuts left material that is left by ball mill 5 diameter. Okay, last but not least, I make semi finishing with ball mill 3. I leave a stock of .05. It is a steel body that's drawn in ZBrush. I don't know how I said it, uh, but it's not a parametric model, so you can't choose a cutting area. But uh, if we don't choose a boundary or cut area, it will try to machine this this corners, this edges. So we choose a trim boundary of a solid body that I draw just for that. Single curve. Okay. Side chain outside. Okay. I choose zigzag constants dot for on parts rectangle specify 135 degrees according to x. It will make a zigzag move like this. I will not click generate because it takes too long. I will show you in a generated toolpad. It is that the tool starts from the corner and cuts all the area with zigzag. And it should pass the face. It should extend the face. Okay, it makes a .05 stock, and we try to leave the same stock before finishing because we try to have the same surface quality in every surfaces. So we must do this. Okay, I copy that. Let me do it in other parts. I make a finish. What I change then? What I change? Finishing. Of course, I change the stock. I change the stock. And the most important things are you should change the tolerance .003.003. It's the machine tolerance and it's the projection tolerance. You can see here that it must be .1. If I click generate, we will have to wait for 3 or 4 hours actually, because the model is very big. Let's measure it. It is 310 millimeters, and other is the same. It's a square, so it's a really very big model, and I have very very hard machine tolerances, very fine, so there will be a very good uh, toolpaths for finishing. Let me show you, but we will wait too much, but let me show you. In this semi-finishing toolpath you can see these dots or the tool moves with G1 between two uh, between two dots actually. But if you look at the finishing operation, there are too much dots. I want to show it, so we will wait for that. You can see the machine tolerance here. It's a very fine tolerance. Let me show a video that how it works. It moves very fast in flat areas, but uh, very slow in foam areas because our machine tolerance is very fine. So the machine can make this tolerance with being very slow. Uh, the cam time in this operation in NX shows 5 hours, but actual time is 12 hours because of that. Uh, Perhaps if we change the high speed uh, arrangements in machine, we can have the same or near time with cam and the actual time. It's not important. Okay. Uh, I showed you how I machined this model. As I said before, I will give one of my subscribers this model. You should first subscribe to my channel for joining to draw, and then send a mail to my email address yusufugurluoglu@gmail.com. I will edit um, I'll add it to my video. Uh, you will write for draw to subject, and you will write your name here. If you want to draw, I will want your open address, detail address, uh, and I will post it. I will mail it to you um, with a cargo. But I must say that if the uh, posting posting will cost too much, you may send it. You send this mail by knowing this this detail actually. Okay, let me show you my plans about my channel. I make many videos, but left subjects are 4 and 5 axis positioning samples, 5 axis simultaneous samples, uh, projection vector, and cutting vector, for example. The turning videos, C-axis milling and drilling on turning, post-processing arrangements, but it will be basic actually. I will make uh, mill turn parts with transferring from uh, uh, transferring from uh, chuck to chuck actually. And I will create what's new videos. You know that the version is changed. uh, there will not be NX 13, 14, 15. There will be NX 8, 18, 46 or more. I will make what's new videos. I will try to make cat videos, but they will be basically because it's not they're not my subjects actually. The point that I want to come is I want to make manufacturing videos and sending it to my subscribers actually as I am doing on this video. Uh, I want to manufacture first not machine parts. There will be aesthetic parts like this. They will be aesthetic at first. But if I have a machine, CNC machine, I will make from zero to professional manufacturing videos. How will you use vices or use chucks, zeroing the part and tools, and how do you cut a part actually. I want to show it. In this point, it's your turn then. How will you help me? You know, a website that called Patreon. You help to channels uh, in with using this website. As I told before, I posted a video very early. My We are thematic channels. We do not make money uh, mm, with how can I say, uh, with seeing our videos, with how can I say, uh, the I don't know the English term. Let me show you. For example, this views. Okay, sorry for that. With views, because we are not a mainstream channel, so we are a technical channel. So you must help us for making for manufacturing on CNC. Uh, you know, if you know the Patreon, there are tires. First with apprentice, $1 per month. You do not have a benefit because it's symbolic. If you have a supervisor, I want to choose terminology of manufacturing, but it can be wrong because the Turkish is alphabet, English must be supervisor. Your benefits are thank you message in every video. If you be a master, you can see a turning guy here. Your benefits are a thank you message, viewing videos 3 days before, but I don't know how to do that. But if I can do, I will do that. Cam video of one part. If you be a master, you send me a part that can be machined in a conventional CNC, and I will make a cam video and post it in YouTube. If you have an engineer, you will have a thank you message. Viewing video, you will view videos a week before. Cam video of 3 parts, and if you will be in Turkey, it will be a face-to-face training, but you can't be in Turkey, so it will be an online training, 1 day online training. You can ask me what you want. I can prepare before, and in online training I can tell you how you machine, or I don't know, anything else. Okay, I will not explain the Patreon system for my uh, non-Turkey viewers, subscribers, because you know it's very well, I think. It's you can trust on this website because uh, everyone uses it. Okay, it is all for now. Uh, Please send me mail for this draw. Uh, the Turkey subscribers and non-Turkey subscribers, foreigner, I don't know it will be the exact term, but they will join the same draw. I wanted to machine two actually for Turkey and other countries, but it take too much time and I had to do just one model. Uh, Please join to the draw by sending me mail, uh, and I will make a live draw uh, next week, next weekend. Please send me, but don't forget to subscribe, please. Thank you for now. See you on my next video.